Hey everyone, so today we're going to go through installing the widgets on your phone. If you want to see how I got these customized app icons, check out my last video. But today we're going to go through the widget photos. So I like to start by going to my Pinterest page. So I go to the app, and on my Pinterest page I have all of these boards that have a bunch of aesthetics, and today I'm gonna do neon pink. I've already gone through and saved the ones that I want. If you don't know how to save one of these photos, just click on it, and then in the bottom right corner, those three dots, click there, and then just click download image, and it'll be saved to your camera roll. So first, if you don't already have the app Widgetsmith downloaded, go ahead and download that. We're going to go to Widgetsmith, and here you can see I already have a few widgets. So to start, we're going to click Add Small Widget, and then click on the one that it just added. Click again in the middle of the screen, and you can see that you have all of these options, so you can honestly do whatever you want, but I like to add a photo. So we're going to go to Photo, and then down there you're going to click Selected Photo, then click Choose Photo, and choose whatever photo you saved that you want. You can align it if you need to. You can go back now, and up here under where it says small number 3 or small number 4, whatever, you can click tap to rename, just so it's easy for you to pick it out. So I'll just do pink 1. Then I'm going to repeat the process and add small widget, click small 4, click in the middle, go down to photo, selected photo, choose photo, and I'm going to pick this one. Then you click back. I'm going to rename it again, and I'll do pink 2, save, and then save again. Then down here I'm going to add a medium widget. I'm going to click on it, click in the middle, and same thing here, you have a bunch of options that you can choose. I'm going to click photo, then selected photo, choose photo, and I'm going to pick this one, and you can align it if you need to. Then go back. I'm going to rename it to pink, save. So now we have these widgets. So we're going to go back to our home screen, hold anywhere on the screen. In that top left corner, the plus sign, click there. Scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith at the bottom. And here you can add your small, medium, or large widgets that you created. So I have 2 small, so I'm going to add 1 small. Repeat, add another small. Repeat, and add a medium widget. So now you can see that these 2 images are the same. All you have to do is click on one of them, click where it says pink 2 or whatever you named it, and select the other one, and it'll change. Sometimes Widgetsmith doesn't load the photos right away, so all you have to do is just restart your phone and they'll be good to go. And then I just like to rearrange them however I want. And that's it. Thank you for watching.